I'm so glad you're mine, princess, my angel, my queen. Baby, you're my friend.
Hello! It's been a minute. It's been a minute. Hello! Scared you? Yes. Anyway, y'all, it's been a minute since I have picked up this vlogging camera to do what, huh? Vlog. Anywho, nothing much has been going on. I think that's the reason why. Like, we're still, you know, in a Panasonic and whatnot. You know, it's still, you know, Cora and stuff out in these streets.
What? Did you hear that? Did you show him your bracelet, Cora? Did you show him the WWJT?
For the pandemic.
And then when I am out in these streets, I forget to pick up my camera. So, and before I, you know, forget, I'm wearing bite aligners. I do have a code down below. I am on a straight teeth journey. If you do not know about that, go ahead and check that video out. I will be doing an update on my progress and stuff. And anywho, I bet you can guess where we are. That's right, you said it. Bucks of Stars. We were supposed to ride bikes, like I was getting ready to say, but we kind of opted out on that because we had some experiences and it was a little bit traumatic. Probably try for another day, but it is Saturday on today, and we're gonna go to the Pike where there is like shops. I really want to go back to H&M. I found some cute stuff at H&M around my birthday, and I want to go back and I need to get her some things too. Hold on, let me order something.
Starbucks, can I get you started off with any food items today?
Yes. Can I get a bagel warmed with cream cheese?
The only bagels that I have is the...
What, everything?
Personally, I like the everything bagel. It tastes really good.
Okay. The everything bagel will do. Then the kale bites.
Yeah, of course. Anything else?
My lips dry because I have my mask on. You know, matter of fact, I told y'all in my last video, I'm going to stop giving disclaimers because, you know, dry lips make me who I am. I don't have to always preface it. You know what I'm saying? That ain't none of your business. We need a rug. I don't know if y'all follow me on Instagram, but you should. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that
our rug is a hot mess.
Yeah, our rug is a hot mess, and I spilled a whole bottle of Red Rooster on there, and it's real ghetto, you know. I wanted to get a new rug before this, but you know, rug shopping is just stressful. It took us long enough to get a couch, you know, so just think about how long it's gonna take us to get a rug. I want to go to Target. We need a few things from there, but it just depends on the crowd, because you know, people out, they don't care that Cora's in these streets. They don't care.
Corona.
They don't care that Cora is in the street. Can you believe this is me without caffeine? I don't even need caffeine. It's just. Oh, and then Camila has something at the church. They're kind of like slowly opening back the doors of thine church, huh? And she has like a little
Boys versus Girls 6 Flags.
Yeah. So she get to hang with her friends. So I'm taking her to that and probably go over my best friend's house while she's there because it's down the street. I gotta go. I gotta pay.
Oh, this is what I've been here in so many years.
Oh, that was fast. You could take the stairs. That was a waste of time. You used to wear stuff like that. Oh. You used to wear stuff like that. Well, when you were little, you used to love that.
I know.
These my dance make it hurt.
y'all, we've been running errands, you know, just out and about. The power of social media, huh? Now, chlorophyll done went viral. Now, I've been taking chlorophyll on and off for years. Like, I knew about chlorophyll. I think many of us knew about it, but I guess people just weren't taking it. I was taking it probably over 4 years ago, and I had stopped. And then I saw they went viral on TikTok, which reminded me, to go ahead and, you know, stock up on it. Girl, everything is sold out. Like, Amazon sold out, Vitamin Shop sold out. I'm sure it might be other places, but y'all, I don't have the energy to be trying to find where chlorophyll is, because even the girl at Vitamin Shop was like, girl, I didn't even want to go to work once I saw that viral video. So we went to Target. That didn't, you know, didn't film in there. Vitamin Shop didn't film in there. But anywho, we got some things, and I guess maybe I can show y'all what I got. I don't know if y'all really care, because I don't be caring like that. But you know, people be caring, so maybe y'all share. You guys, there's Eddie. Say hi, Eddie. I was like, anybody seen him on the vlogs? On the vlogs.
I seen you on the vlog. But I give it an upload now.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I just dropped Camila off at the church, and I am about to pull into my best friend's house for a second. Chill over there before I have a meeting. Whew, today has been crazy. I'm probably not gonna vlog in her house because, because I mean, you know, it's someone else's house. But yeah, I'll catch you on the flip side. Well, that was fast. So now, I feel so bad that y'all can't actually come with me. But now I'm headed back to the church because I have a meeting. Some dope things are popping off for your girl. And after that, I am going to head home, and I need to finish editing something. I do have an editor, but I decided to go ahead and just edit this because I knew what I needed to do. I'm getting tired. I wanted to eat something, but I'm gonna stop eating after 8. All right, y'all. On Amazon Prime. Hold on, wait.
That is really cute.
Wait, hold on. I gotta figure out how to.
I thought that was a two. I thought that was a two.
But it works.
Let me see how the quality the picture look. Wait, it is really a camera.
Oh my goodness.
And you hook it up to your USB. I said, I'm out in these streets. I'm out in these streets. Oh my God.
You understand me?
So bomb.
What you making?
Hi vlog. Hi you guys.
DJ flame it up. DJ flame it up.
Bend over, let me grab you.
DJ flame it up.
Y'all close? You can give me the rest of that Slurpee in that machine. No, I do want.
Bend over, let me grab you.
DJ flame it up.
Bend over, let me grab you.
DJ flame it up.
them niggas were trying to take us to the village.
I don't know. It's not. Is it on? It's not on. It is on.
If you want, you can get your cabana on the beach. It don't cost you nothing. All inclusive, all inclusive.
Bolo and Maggie are trying to go. Not Bolo. You talking about Portia Bolo? I'm parked on the street over there. Alright, so I am home now. I'm gonna watch some Real Housewives of Atlanta because it's Sunday and only got like 4 hours of sleep last night, so I'm gonna go to bed because I gotta get up early tomorrow. And they're white.